CMC Markets Review, Honest User Experience and Trading Platform Walkthrough. If you're looking for a trading platform with advanced tools and global markets, CMC Markets is a popular choice. I spent time testing it, and here's my honest review. Most people think all trading platforms are the same, but the surprising truth about CMC Markets is its powerful interface that caters to both beginners and professional traders. It offers CMC, Forex, shares, indices and commodities all in one platform. The platform is intuitive. I opened an account, verified my identity, and had access to real-time market data immediately. Charting tools are extensive, including technical indicators, drawing tools and customizable layouts. The interface also supports alerts and automated trading strategies, which was impressive for a retail trader like me. CMC Markets offers competitive spreads and low fees. For example, I traded Forex pairs with spreads starting at 0.7 pips lower than many competitors. Margin requirements are transparent, and the risk management tools such as stop loss and limit orders are easy to implement. Research and education are strong points. Platform provides webinars, market analysis, and news updates, helping users make informed decisions. Mobile apps are also well designed, providing access to all essential features on the go. The only minor drawback is the platform's complexity for absolute beginners. New traders may need time to get familiar with all the tools and options. Overall, CMC Markets delivers a robust, professional trading experience. If you want advanced charts, low fees and access to global markets, it's worth exploring. With careful practice, traders can leverage its features for both short-term and long-term strategies.